is looking for the mysterious spark. Reuben is checking on the window. He even tries to check under the chair. He even checks up on the chair. Hey lady, do you see the mysterious spark? No. Hey lady, let's go and check inside. Lady, have you seen it? No. I'm going to check under the bed. Hey Reuben, Kita's here to help. Let's see if Kita can help us find the mysterious spark. All that searching makes me tired. Lady and Kita are searching for the mysterious spark. Hey lady, have you found the mysterious spark yet? No. I think I found a clue. I think we found it. This way, Reuben. Come and follow me, it's this way. I think I'm getting closer, lady and Kita. There's Cooper and Jack. We found the mysterious spark.